My name is Catm, please, and today we are going to react a kid flip fire alarm for skipping the pop test. Let's go.
For our trip to Legoland this weekend.
Yo, that's so cool. Wait, how'd you even convince your mom to go? I thought you were grounded.
I just told her I wouldn't fail any test this month. But what she doesn't know is I don't have any tests.
Wait, what?
I am such a genius.
You can at least wash your hand first. What? You scared of G?
Yeah.
Dude,
What
watch
the
out!
fuck?
You almost blew
Ew.
the fire alarm.
Morning, boys.
Hey. Morning. Hey, what you got there, Mr. Wilson?
What, you mean this? This is a surprise.
That doesn't sound good. Not at all. You've got to be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz. Yeah, probably. I gotta find some way to get out of it.
Come on, the reading last time was easy.
It was?
Yeah, didn't you do it?
Yeah.
And miss out on my huge Minecraft tournament? No way. I gotta get out of it.
Bruh, he is a dumb kid. Dump. Look at he's crying. He is not crying, but he is so dumb. He want to skip a class just because he didn't revise his test. He's just playing. It's his fault, not the others. Is his
This test
fault.
somehow.
Here we go again.
Yeah.
I can pretend I'm sick.
You already did that like 5 times and it never works.
Oh, bruh.
Maybe I could pretend like I broke my leg by slipping in this
No.
hallway. Whoa.
No, he's gonna.
Well, it's pretty hard to pretend that you broke a bone. Jay, when you broke your arm, was it all hunky-dory?
Yeah, dude.
That won't work. Besides, they're installing cameras now, so it'll be obvious you're faking it.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
So when do you think you'll have it working?
I'm having a problem with the server. They're not connecting. Hopefully by tomorrow.
Great. Thank you so much.
Today's my lucky day.
Why?
Mikey, do we have to tell you every single time? Running away from problems just makes them worse.
Please, Derek. I've been running away from my problems since 1st grade. Look where it's gotten me. Where?
Yeah, you've been suspended at least 5 times. You have been grounded every single summer. And what's your GPA again?
I don't want to talk about that. But I'm still the coolest kid in school. Yeah, right. All right, look. I'm running out of time, all right?
Come on, Mikey. Face it. There's nothing you can do at this point.
Don't underestimate me, all right? Look, I'll figure something out.
Okay, do not turn these over just yet. Hey, Mikey, no snacks in class. Put that away, please. Hey, you're supposed to use a cracker, not your finger. All right, everybody, what I have for you here is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep them down, please. I'll be right with you.
Did you hear what happened?
Wait, what?
They haven't figured out. Some
What?
punk pulled the fire alarm. They had to evacuate the whole school.
I hope they got the guy that did it.
Last I heard, they haven't figured out who it was.
I got it. Got what? I'm gonna pull the fire alarm.
No.
What? That's a terrible idea. You're gonna get caught on camera. He
Yeah.
said the camera won't be working till tomorrow.
Oh, dear God. But I think that's going a little too far, Mikey. What if they test for fingerprints?
Then I'll pull it with my shirt. That way there's no fingerprints.
I'm pretty sure, Mikey, that pulling a fire alarm is an actual crime. There could be very serious consequences. for
That's
that.
if I got caught, which will never happen.
Do I have to explain it to you every single time? Your plans never work.
He is genius. He is smart. He is genius.
Jinx! No, I said it first.
And he is dumb. It makes sense.
Of course they do.
Of course they do not.
Mr. Wilson, can I use the bathroom real quick, please?
Oh,
Yeah, okay, Mikey.
he is going to go.
Thank you.
No, stupid.
Excuse me. Thank you. Papa.
Hey,
Oh my God,
young man,
no.
you need help with something?
Nope, just go into the bathroom.
Well, you're going in the wrong direction. Bathroom is that way.
Oh, yes, I know. I'm just getting something from my locker.
Okay, well, when you do go, be very careful of the wet floor, okay?
Yes, sir.
One of the toilets overflowed.
Oh my God. Oh my God, stupid. He is going to be cut. No, do not. No, 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 no. You are stupid, dumb. No! No! No, you dumb.
Let's go. Everybody just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill, okay?
Oh my God.
All the other students and teachers evacuated on the west side. Hopefully we'll get an update soon.
Oh my God. Oh
What's up,
my
kids?
God.
Well, aren't you glad I got us out of that pop quiz?
Shut up, you dumb.
Oh, and to add on, I also didn't get caught.
But you will
Yeah,
be
not yet.
soon.
We'll see about that.
He is.
Mikey, there you are.
He
I was
is
just
dead.
inside looking for you. How long have you been out here?
Well, I've been here since we evacuated. You didn't notice?
No. Anyway, I just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here for a little while longer.
Dang it, I was looking forward to that pop quiz.
Pop quiz?
Mr.
you
Wilson?
mean
Can I speak to you for a moment?
Yes, of course, Principal Danvers.
What are you talking about? The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland, baby? You see, I was thinking about that, bro. There's more to life than just skipping tests and going to amusement parks. No, there isn't.
Yeah, it
Mikey,
is.
he's right.
Wait,
You just
guys. If he said no, he is wrong. I am a intelligent kid. I am not gonna lie. I am intelligent because I want to be an astronaut when I win. I am a win. I just kidding. When I get older, I want to be an astronaut. That's why I am intelligent and I want to. But he just want to go to amusement park and skip classes. What a dumb.
Expect to always get away without being caught.
Yeah.
As my dad always says, running away from your problems just makes them worse.
Yeah,
Well,
it's real.
My dad says that the moon is made of cheese. What's your point?
His point is
Stupid.
stop pulling more pranks, or else you won't be able to come to Legoland with us. Yeah, and your mom might even take away your talent again.
You know what? Instead of being grateful, you guys are making me feel bad for what I did.
All right, well, we're just waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds and make sure that everybody's safe.
The
Wait,
fire
what?
department's here?
Yeah, they respond to
Oh
every
my.
fire alarm.
Oh my God. Oh.
Wilson, this is Captain Stoll.
The police.
going to be
Oh
asking
my God.
everybody
Oh
some
my God. Look
questions
at
today.
his face.
Nice to meet you. So, looks like it was a false alarm. It's not the first time this has happened
Oh my
today,
God,
so
oh
I need
my
to gather
God.
some more info. What were you and your class doing right before the alarm went off?
He
Well,
is
I
so
just
scared.
handed everybody some paperwork. A teacher came in, told me about what happened at Chesterfield, and then
It's.
that's about all I can remember.
Ah.
Think
This channel. Oh, bruh.
Why is my camera not working? It's not taking any photos.
Let's now continue.
Be able to come to Legoland with us. Yeah, and your mom might even take.
waiting for the fire department to finish.
Yes,
This is Captain Stoll. He's going to be asking every.
this channel help us. This channel. This channel help us to be respectful. And after this, we are going to end this. Now let's continue.
Everybody some questions today.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So, looks like it was a false alarm. It's not the first time this has happened today, so I need to gather some more info. What were you and your class doing
Information.
right before the alarm went off?
Well, I had just handed everybody some paperwork. A teacher came in, told me about what happened at Chesterfield, and then that's about all I can remember.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wilson.
Of course, yeah. Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the key to the bathroom.
You did?
Yeah. Mikey, did you see anything?
No, actually, I heard someone running down the hall before the fire alarm went off, but
Look. Lion.
that's all I remember.
All right. Well, Captain Stoll, could you show us
Lion.
what you found so far?
Of course. Follow me.
You too, Mikey.
Oh my
Me? Why?
god.
Because you said you were the last one in the hall, right? So maybe you could provide some insight to us. Let's go.
Okay, none of that. I'll be right back.
Oh my god. Really? Oh look.
Yes. Actually, I was able to get the camera started right when the fire
Oh my
alarm went off.
god, look his face.
Yeah. I thought I was gonna need more time, but I figured it out. Here we go. It looks like the camera started right after everyone started walking away.
Lucky me.
It is going to get caught. Oh my god.
Phew. Luckily, everyone's okay.
Mikey, think. What else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
Let me retrace my steps. So, I left Mr. Wilson's classroom. Then I went to the bathroom.
Come on, everybody. Does anybody know what happened?
Not yet. Mikey is explaining what was happening. He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in there fixing the toilet when the alarm went off. I didn't see you.
Well, that's because I ran into the girls' room.
You did what?
Well, you see, George told me that the toilets were overflowing,
Yes,
so
he
I
said it.
decided to use the girls' restroom.
That's true. I did tell him.
See?
But the key that you took was for the boys' bathroom.
Principal Danvers,
Yes, I am.
I got the fingerprint kit.
Oh my
Now we
god.
can see who the suspect really is.
Wonderful. It's right here.
Thank you.
Mikey, you were saying?
What? What was I saying?
Mikey, if you had a key to the boys' restroom, how did you get into the girls' restroom?
Well, you see, there was a girl, and she came out of the restroom, so I decided to sneak inside. I'm sorry, that was wrong.
I don't know. That all sounds a little odd.
Mikey, if you are covering up for someone else, you, young man, are in big, big trouble.
I'm telling you everything I know, I swear.
Lion.
Yes.
We didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd. Can you come over and take a look?
Of course.
It looks like cheese dip.
Cheese dip. Mikey, you were
Oh my god.
eating cheese in my classroom.
What? No. See, look, my hands are clean.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt.
That explains why there isn't any prints. He was assured
Oh
to pull
my
the alarm.
god. Oh my
Oh,
god.
Mikey, how could you do that? Especially after all that we've been through.
Please, just don't tell my mom.
Oh my
I didn't
God,
think all
don't
this
do
was
that.
gonna happen.
Oh my
I just
god.
pulled it because I didn't want to do the pop quiz and just wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz?
What?
Yeah,
No, Mikey, no, I
bruh.
just wanted to play a
Scary.
game with you all.
a game? Are you
Bingo?
serious? You mean I did all this for nothing?
Yeah.
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
No,
Yes.
please, I'm sorry.
No go.
Actually, I have to stop you there, Principal.
Thank
Oh
you,
my
officer.
God.
Thank you. You don't know how much I appreciate that.
Mikey's actually gonna come with us.
Oh
Owning
my
a firearm
god.
is a serious crime. Did you know that?
A crime?
Oh my
Yes,
god.
it
Oh my
is.
god.
I'm gonna take you downtown.
He's going to
Go.
He's going to go to.
No. No.
He's going.
No, please.
He's crying.
Don't worry, it's gonna be all right.
He's going to go to jail. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Take me. Let me go.
Oh my god.
What's going on?
Oh
What
my
are you doing
god.
with Mikey?
Oh my god.
Hey.
Under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
Hurry! Help me, man. Mikey? Mom! I can't
Oh
explain.
my god. He is
I
scared.
was in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went off.
Man, seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
What? Mom, please don't take away my tablet. And don't ground me. I just want to go to Legoland with my friends.
That is what you're most worried about. You should be worried about going to juvie. I'll meet you at the station.
Juvie. It's jail for kids. Juvie. The fuck? Jail juvie. Bruh.
Ma'am.
What? No,
Come on,
Mom.
kids.
Please, Mom, no.
Oh my god.
I'm not going. Let me go. Let me
Let
go.
me go. Oh
No,
my god.
Jay, Derek, help! All I can say is, running from your problems just makes them worse.
Yeah. What the what the fuck is this scream?
I'm not going! Let me go! Let me go! No! Jay, Derek, help! All I can say is, running from your problems just makes them worse.
So this is oh my god.
Printed off your exams. Booyah! Hey, are you okay?
What? So guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. In the next video we are going let's see this in the next video. So but guys, goodbye and see you in another video. Bye. Wait, what? Okay, bye.